Hi, welcome to another episode of Trini Bites. Today I'm going to make curry stew turkey wings. I have all my ingredients here. I have the turkey wings here. This is about 4 turkey wings. I cut it up into pieces. And this is the size, but you can't get it smaller than this. It doesn't make sense. So that's the size of I wanted. This is the ingredients I'm going to use. I'm going to put some black pepper, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 4 tablespoons of green seasoning. The seasoning has bandania, onion, garlic, pepper as well, and celery, all blended up together. Plus I have 2 tablespoons of curry, Calaran curry, and 1 pepper. I think this is Scotch bonnet. Put the ketchup in. The seasoning goes in. Salt. Mix them all together. That's it. I'm going to get the pot ready with the oil. Put some oil in there. So while I'm getting the pot hot with the oil, I'm going to put a piece of pepper. I don't know how hot this one is, but we'll try with that piece first. And after I'll put this whole thing if needed. We'll get the sugar in. It's gonna melt and caramelize. The oil expand. So I got a little too much, but that's okay. You can measure it next time. I have the curry here, mixed with the water. And now I'm gonna throw it in. That's it. And in goes the turkey wings. I'm going to leave this for about 5 minutes and then come back and add some water. Cover it as well. So after 5 minutes, that's it. Now the turkey is a more harder meat, so this will take a longer than chicken. So what I'm going to do, I have water boiling in a kettle. I'm going to add it. Cover it and let it cook for like about 20 more minutes, and then I'll check it. A piece of the turkey wings here. It's looking good. Still need about 10 minutes, and then I'll try a piece and see how long again. After 45 minutes of cooking, that's the curry stew. Turkey wings. Beautiful. Alright, I want to have a taste now. Good. I hope you try this recipe. It's very good. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.